Alright, I know you're camo, but where'd you go, buddy? I know you're camo. You weren't just giving me away. This is me and Bear's tent. It's the 9x9 tech sport. And we are at Knob Creek. He's camping at the machine gun shoot. Anybody seen Bear? I can't find him. Yeah, there's other campers out here. They're giving our position away. Where is you, buddy? You doing something in here, bud? Oh, there you are. Ah, you're sitting down on the job, huh? What are you doing, bud? You didn't. You did? We're playing corpse again? Oh, it's just your pillow. What you got there, bud? Oh, camo liner, sleeping pad, oh, baby sack in case it rains, and the good old Coleman. Yeah, it gets down to like 40 or 39 tonight. Yeah, Coleman's a good call, bud. Thanks for setting up my stuff. So this is me and Bear's digs. Yeah, it's a dizzy vid. It's a 9x9. He's a great camp prankster, ain't he? We got... Bear, did you carry these all by yourself? Wait, that was me. Never mind. Ah, yeah. Hey, this has got the ACU that done it. Yeah, ACU junk. With my Esbit stove and hat and... Yeah, lots of... It's a little dark, sorry. There's a light on this camera somewhere. So that's our digs. And, yeah, sorry about the dizziness, but it's just an iPhone. Come on, Bear. We got other stuff to do.